Hey Frugal fam, are you ready to spend a little for a lot at Dollar Tree on Georgia Avenue in Wheaton, Maryland? They put all their brand new fall Frugal Finds out. Let's get into it. This is really new. They have books at the front, sort of giving off that Barnes & Noble vibe. Here's some that I picked out, pretty as a picture. The Orphan Sisters, Purity and Interference. Fall is definitely here at this Dollar Tree in Wheaton. Look at all the fall items. I see new stuff. I see stuff from last year, but most importantly, I definitely see some new stuff. Can't wait to dive into all of this with you. Let's get into it. These are gorgeous and absolutely stood out. I mean, look at these colors. Look how big this is. This is NDF, but it is gorgeous. And it says harvest. We have a little bit of a ribbon at the top, straw like ribbon, and a beautiful burgundy leaf. Look at this. Just feast your eyes on that. That's nice. The teal, that orange, that burnt orange. Oh my gosh. This is nice. This is a classic. It says thankful, and it's going in the cart. And you just gotta love these. I mean, look how cute that is. It's a mason jar. It says fall is in the air. Beautiful fall leaves all around. This one, pumpkin spice latte. We got the gold leaf at the top with a little bit of burlap wrapped around. You have all the ingredients you need to make a yummy pumpkin spice latte. I can just taste fall by looking at these. Going along with these recipe themes, we have a pumpkin pie, and you just hang it up. But look at this. Look at this craftsmanship. Look at that. That is really cute. Apple pie, same thing. It looks delicious. It makes me want apple pie right now. And of course, hot apple cider, because it wouldn't be fall without it. I love this. These are really cute. I mean, the acorn is making a comeback, and look at this. I've seen so many DIYers do this. This is that burlap that I just recently showed. You can easily use a stencil to put this on, and this is like a thumbtack, but they did it all for you. You don't have to do the DIY. So the non-DIYers, there you go. And that is the acorn. This is beautiful. Grateful. Painted in like a matte color, and it can just sit up like so. Then, of course, I know I'm going to love this. Oh, that is so cute. That is cute and simple. It will make any room festive. I'll tell you one thing I like about this store in Wheaton that you should know. For this Wheaton store in particular, even though there's a Dollar Tree right around the corner, this one has all of your festive items first. And they have it very early. So you'll come in here maybe around like October or November, and you'll be looking for everything. It'll be gone. It'll be picked over. But right now, this is when you need to get it. This pumpkin spice and everything. Nice. I feel like I've seen this last year, but this one is a remake. I mean, look at that. I do not want to spend all my money in here, but I will if I have to. This is really cute. These are new. It says autumn, and I love this rolling pen. So cute for a kitchen. Coffee bar. Harvest blessings. Really cute. And they are all about football. It says welcome. I love it. I love these colors. It's giving Commanders colors, the Washington Commanders. This says it's fall, play, ball. Super cute. You can even take these and detach them, and you get, how many pieces is this? This one is 4, but this one is 5. And you can detach that and use it for DIYs. We have this, the truck. I'm telling you, that truck never, ever is going out of style. Them and the gnomes are never leaving. Fantasy football legend. This is really cute. This, I love the glitter outline and the brown and the orange. Oh my gosh. These are from last year. Blessed, thankful, grateful. And this one right here, Home Sweet Home, that's from last year. I believe this is also from last year. This I feel like this is from last year, but it's really cute. Hay rides, apple picking, bonfires, raking leaves, corn maze, pumpkin fetch. I mean, that is fall. You need it. You definitely need it. Fall means football, y'all. This is really cute. Paired up with these, with this. Dollar Tree makes sure that everything matches in its color scheme and its theme. Totally here for it. I'm screaming, I'm screaming, I'm screaming. Look at all of this and how cute it is. Happy fall, y'all. Oh my gosh. Thankful and blessed. It got your whip and a little straw or spoon. Happy pumpkin spice season. And happy pumpkin spice season. Oops, let me get a clearer one. Happy pumpkin spice season. Super, super cute. Showing you all standing up. Happy fall, y'all. Happy pumpkin spice season. Thankful and blessed. Happy pumpkin spice season. Oh, this is giving me all the fall. Frugal feels, tingles, everything. Let me reiterate, if you want these, you better come here and you better get it now. I'm telling you, these are going to go really quick. It looks like they just stocked these. And these are really cute. I mean, look at this. Look at how it sits up. I don't want to put it on the floor. That is really cute. You can hang this on the wall. You can put it up somewhere. Autumn Harvest Blessings. I'm going to put this down. Welcome, gather together. Really nice. Love the touch. And this is their ribbon. Really cute. Oh my gosh. When the leaves fall, it's time to play ball. Are you kidding me? This is adorable. Any football lover. Oh, there's so many more. Okay, so I pulled these out. If you know anything about me, or one thing you should know about me, is that if there is a grouping of something, I'm going to show you every color. You need to know what's out here. This is just a plain brown football. This one is got a nice fall gold color. This one says, when the leaves fall, it's time to play ball. That's really cute, and it looks like a pumpkin, which I'm just realizing that. Isn't that so cute? Fall flannels and football. Super cute. Here's how it looks standing up. If it wants to stand up, there we go. Really cute. This just darling. Look at this. It is a rolling pin and it says hello pumpkin. I love this. It's only one-sided. This is perfect for a coffee bar. Adorable in your kitchen over your stove. Give thanks. Falling leaves. We got different colors on the end. I think I like this one the most. Definitely getting this. Putting it right on my coffee bar. Moving on to these signs. This is Happy Fall. We're seeing like a theme with the leaf and a little bow at the top. Really cute. That's a straw bow. Happy Fall. This is printed on, so it would be very easy to make a DIY out of this if you really wanted to. This says fall and it has the pumpkins. I am in love with this one. All you need is love and pie. Fall, 'tis the season to be thankful. These are really, really cute. So they also, let's see, they also hang up. You can hang them. That's really cute. They have the same thing with the pumpkin patch. And here's another football. My heart is on the field. That field. Oh, this is really cute. Thankful, blessed. We got a pumpkin and a shovel. This is also, you could hang it up or you can stick it down in the ground, which I think will look really cool and make a lot of sense. Almost completely missed this. Happy fall, y'all. That's nice with the wood and the orange against it. It's one-sided. Fall, sweet fall. This is nice and white. And we have the orange and blue pumpkins and a sunflower. These are cute. We have burlap and metallic pumpkins. So let's see what we got. We have this orange burlap. We have this gold burlap that's really nice. And we have these foam, well, they're all foam, metallic pumpkins, and I think they were out last year. Look at that. That's vibrant and pretty. We also have red. It's like a candy apple red. Looks like a, oh yeah, candy apple. That's what it looks like. These were out last year, I think, but they're really cute. The plaid pumpkin and the orange and the black and the blue, the classics. Here are some foam crackle pumpkins. This is new. Look at all this glitter. Got the nice piece on top. We have this in the nice forest green. We have a different size pumpkin, a taller one. And we have, oh, this is a nice size little pumpkin. I love it. It looks real. Well, minus the glitter. This is new. It says Hello October. It's got the plaid on both or all sides. And it's something that you can sit up or you can hang, as they suggested. That's really cute. This is the only new one I've seen. It says fall is in the air. We have the nice pumpkins. It's only one-sided. They do have double-sided ones. We have these potted flowers. Here's a sunflower. And then here's a, I want to say this is a mum. And this is really nice. It almost looks real. Perfect for fall. And I love the brown pot that it's in. And sure enough, they have this beautiful orange one. Look at how vibrant that is. Just gorgeous. And look at the details on the leaves, like they're changing the green. Love it. This one, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Bless this home. This is really, really nice. Sunflower Farm. If that is your thing. Oh my gosh. We're moving on to this section. Fall vibes with the matching plaid. Are you kidding me? This store has like everything. Hello, fall. Got the yellow, the gold, and then Thankful and Blessed. Those are really cute. Of course, I'm going to get these standing up. This is giving Target dollar stop, but Target would have definitely charged you $4 or $5 or $3 or $5 for this. It says pumpkin patch, and look at this. Look at the beading and the jute. Of course, it sits up like that or stands up like that. They have the fresh apple cider, perfect for a coffee bar. Definitely going to get that for mine. And then cinnamon mulled wine. I mean, look at that. It's only one-sided, but this is cute. The detail. The detail. I love it. Check out that welcome sign. That is really cute. You get the orange, the white, the green, and the blue pumpkin. It's definitely a step up because last year it was just square. Here's this farm fresh pumpkin patch, and they're really going through, they're going full out with all these shapes, and I really like that. And cutouts. Here's Fall Sweet Fall. This is pretty. Give thanks. I love that. Here are some florals, and of course they have their window decorations, the autumn, the leaves. I love that teal. And then they have the turkey. That's really cute. You can see it's not a whole lot of them. Really cute. And of course they have their maple. Well, this is maple pumpkin garland. I see an acorn on it. They have some glittery leaves in the mix. This is really nice. These are super cute. We got Gnome Sweet Home. But the one I really like is this one, Fall into Autumn. You can hang them up anywhere. Of course, they're going to have the truck, Harvest Blessings. And then here's some more garland, just in some different fall colors. I think they had this last year. I'm just going to show it. Actually, no, I don't think so. This is nice. You get 2 sets of window clings for $1.25. 25 clings. Really cute. They have some other ones, but they're a little kittier and it's hard to get to, but I will show these. I hope you enjoyed this amazing fall shop with me at Dollar Tree. Which items were your favorite, and which items are you going to grab before they're all gone? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, if you like what you see, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to a little for a lot. Until next time.